Welcome to another Ready or Not tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to play modded maps in this game. Alright, as you can see here, when we go head over to mods, we should be able to see a ton of maps right here. As you can see, let's say for example, I'm just going to click on one, like this one right here, the SWAT or Not Red Library. So we're just going to click on subscribe and just hit on agree. Alright, there will be some authentication right here. Just go ahead and comply with the authentication, which I'm going to do right now. And I'm just going to put the code right here and just hit on submit. Once done, just go ahead and click on subscribe again. And it says here, you're now subscribed, and there will be a download progress. Just wait for it to finish, as it won't take long. All right, as you can see here, the file size is 1.35 gigs. And again, let's just wait for it, and I'm going to show you the next steps. All right, once it's done, just go ahead and go back to the home screen, and it will require us to restart the game. Just hit on play right here again. Now make sure that you play with DirectX or DirectX 11. All right, and make sure that you do not click on play safe mode, which is basically no mods. All right, hit on play. I may have forgotten to tell you, once it reaches 99%, go ahead and go to the home screen and restart the game. All right, now what we're going to do to load up the particular map, let's just check it out first. Right here, as you can see, it now has the green icon. That means that it's ready to load. Now go ahead over to multiplayer, host friends, and just wait for the game to load. And once we arrive in the headquarters, let's just go ahead over to the briefing room and just select the map. All right, right here, F. And under the modded levels tab right here, just click on it and you should be able to see the new installed mod map. All right, that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.